Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video, as the title says, I'm going to give you the DStv Kenya customer care number if you are to activate a new decoder or you are facing any problem on your DStv decoder and you need to call them. The number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current number, because they can change it from time to time, so all you got to do is to pick up your DStv remote and look for the blue logo, press on it, which will take you to the DStv menu. So when you come to the menu right here, use the arrow left and right keys and look for help. When you find help, come down to the first option, which is contact us over here. Press OK on it, and on this page use the arrow left and right keys and put it on the call option over there, which is the tell option, and then use the arrow down keys, search through the list to find the Kenyan number from the list. Alright, so that's it over there. You have two different numbers over there which will be on your screen as well. You pick the number and then you call back. Make sure you have enough airtime to actually proceed the calling. Alright, you have enough airtime to complete whatever you wanna do with them, or the time limits that you're gonna spend with them. They're gonna deduct as normal calling rate. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and any all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.